Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set up NodeMCU ESP8266 with Arduino IDE. What is the NodeMCU ESP8266? It means Node and MCU, which is microcontroller units. It is a low-cost and open-source IoT platform that runs on ESP8266 Wi-Fi from Express's system. There are 4 steps that we need to do in order to set up the NodeMCU. First, we need to install the Arduino IDE. Second, install the NodeMCU ESP8266 library. And then we install the USB to UART bridge controller. And final one is we test our NodeMCU whether it is working or not by running the LED blinking. Step 1. You can download the Arduino IDE through this link, or you can go to the Google, you type the Arduino IDE. Go to software, and you can choose the OS that you use. And just click download. Then just click I agree, next, install. Okay, close. Now we already installed the Arduino IDE. Step 2. In this step 2, we're going to install the MCU ESP8266 library. Okay, you need to open the Arduino IDE. You go to File and Preferences, and you just copy this link and paste in this URL. Click OK and OK. The next step is go to Tools, Board and Board Manager, and you just type ESP8266, and this one will show you the latest version. Just click install. Okay, close. You will see that the board manager is updated to ESP8266. Step 3. The next step is to install the driver for USB to UART bridge controller. This driver is used to communicate between your computer and ESP8266. To download the driver, you can go to this link. Choose download, and you can download the latest version of this driver. Extract, click next, and finish. Okay, after you have installed the USB to UART driver, we need to plug in the NodeMCU through the USB port. Then you can check the COM port. You go through manage, click device manager and COM port. You will see that the USB to UART driver has been successfully installed at the COM port 7. Final step is to test your NodeMCU whether it's working or not. To test it, you need to open the Arduino IDE. And need to go to tools and select the board ESP8266 and choose the NodeMCU 1.0. In this one, we use the NodeMCU version 2. So the firmware is NodeMCU 1.0. And then the next is you need to select the port, the COM port, right? That has been checked before, which is the COM7. Okay, and then we can write a simple LED blinking. After you finish write the code, so you can click to upload, right? This one, just click upload and it asks you to save. Okay, there is an error there. Output. Upload again. Okay, you will see that the code has been uploaded in your NodeMCU. Alright, so that's it. See you again for the next video. Thank you.